Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. This video will show you how to perform the test of your garage door opener safety reversal system. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult your owner's manual for complete instructions and safety information. You must test the safety reversal system of your garage door opener every month. You must also test after any adjustments are made. The door must reverse on contact with a 1.5-inch high object laid flat on the floor. To test the safety reversal system, open the garage door. With the door fully open, place a 1 1/2-inch board or a 2x4 laid flat on the floor, centered under the garage door. Press the remote control or wall-mounted door control to close the door. The door should stop and reverse upon contact with the 2x4. The door returns to the fully open position. The opener beeps and lights flash slowly 5 times. If the door reverses, remove the board. The test is complete. If the door stops and does not reverse, you'll need to increase the down travel of the door. Follow the instructions in your manual for programming the travel. After adjusting the travel, you'll need to perform the safety reversal test again. If the garage door opener continues to fail the safety reversal test, contact a trained door systems technician. Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com.